Hello Glammers and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. Photos were sent to me by a subscriber from Pinterest to my Instagram page, and I will have my Instagram page linked below to see if I could create a small island lamp or chandelier for a small living space. If you would like to find out what I created, just continue watching. Start, I'll be using painter sticks that you may find at your local Home Depot for free at the painter's counter. Use a saw or a knife with soft ridges to cut the sizes you need. I already pre-cut mine, and here are the sizes you will need. To start off, I'll be using 4 corner braces and a 17 and 6 inch painter sticks. So I'll start forming a box and holding them together with the braces and placing my markings to drill in the screws. As I'm attaching the painter sticks together, I'll be using Gorilla Wood Glue for a better hold. I'll be repeating the same steps on the opposite side and making sure that the screws are meeting together. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Repeat the same steps until you form a box shape, and I made 2. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll be using the 11-inch painter sticks on all 4 corners. This time I'll have them facing up, and I'll repeat the same drilling steps. Because I put the painter sticks together, I'll be pre-drilling holes to make the screws easier to go in. Next, I'll add the second piece and repeating the same drilling steps. Next, I'll be using another 17-inch painter stick, and I'll add wood glue on each corner and hot glue to hold it in place, and then I'll place the painter stick on the bottom base. Next, I'll be using 4 mini plastic plates. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. I'll be adding hot glue on each plate on the bottom side, placing them 1.5 inches apart. Next, I took it to a well-ventilated area and I spray painted metallic silver. Next, I'll be using Gen Wrap, and I'll cut it to size of the front of the base, and then I'll be using hot glue to attach it, and I'll repeat the same steps on the front and on the back. Next, I screwed in 2 hanging hooks on the inner side, upper level of the base. I'll be adding 12 silver thumbtacks on the inner part of the base on the bottom side, and this will be used to hang my crystal chains later on. And these are very easy to hang over the thumbtacks. Just use the key ring and attach it on, and you may use the links any size. I hope you enjoy this DIY as much as I enjoy making it. Now, don't forget I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you wish. Turn on your notification bells for more upcoming future videos. Stay strong and healthy, and I'll see you really soon.